In this class, we are going to check whether all the vowels are present in the string. Let us open the Python. Let us start the program with the command line. Check whether all the vowels are present in the word. Let me take the word from the user, that is string. St is equal to input of, enter the word. I should check whether A, E, I, O, U, these all five are available in the word. So to check, I will create variables which will be initially false. When I find it in the word, then I will turn it into true. So I may need five variables initially false. I give CHA is equal to CH E is equal to CHI is equal to CHO is equal to CHU. So all these are going to be false in the beginning. Now I will be traversing the word, that is for I in ST. So I becomes each character of the word. So that character I am checking whether it is any of these letters. So I will be checking, giving the if condition, if I is equal to A. Here, if we want to check capital A also, we can do it. Otherwise, we can make the input itself as lowercase and check. So I am giving lower here. This will be easy. So it avoids giving one more time or I is equal to capital A. When A is available, I am going to make CHA is equal to true. Similar way, I will be checking whether EIOU also available. So just I copy this code and paste. So now it is E. So it is E, I, and this is I, O, CHO, this is U, and this is U. Now I am going to check whether all these are turned into true. So I am giving if CH, A, and. See there, I don't need to check whether equal to true because CHA is either true or false. So it will automatically take true or if it is false as false. We are using AND operator here because we need everything to be present. Even any one of the character is not present, it will evaluate as false. So this if condition will not become true. CH, E, and CHI and CHO and CHU. We are going to print vowels are present. Else print not present. Let us execute this. Education is the word which is having all the vowels. All the vowels are present. Let us check with any other word. Let us give just copy, not present. Hope this was very clear to you. Keep watching my channel and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.